your gaming console is having eject issues, it's generally because the rubber band inside the disk drive has been stretched. So there is a way to fix this just by using a bit of grease. So first thing you have to do is get the console open. This one, just give it a little whack and it opens up. Now on this one here, the rubber band is just inside there. So we get our grease and a cotton tip. Just put some of the grease on the cotton tip. Doesn't have to be too much. And then you just put it onto the rubber band inside the console. Okay. Let's give that a try, see if it worked. Close it. And then open. Sometimes it needs a few coats to get it to work. There we go, we've added a bit more grease. Give it a try again. As you see, the console is now opening and closing. Cool, hope that helps your issue. Thanks for watching.